Te hoari o Haane Manahi, he tohu mananui mō te rangatira o Te Ope Kātua o Aotearoa, he mea hoatu mai te rangatira o mua ki te rangatira hou.
Oh, I think it's been a marvellous occasion of sincere and genuine relationship building that further cements the tribal connection with the Defence Force and opportunities yet to unfold and how that can come to pass.
Nā Ngāti Whakaue te reo pōhiri ki ngā mananui o Te Ope Kātua me te wero a te whānau manahi ki te rangatira hou.
For the Manahi whānau, our fervent desire is always to have the VC reinstated to Uncle. The presentation of 4 years of research plus the new evidence that was uncovered perhaps is a compelling argument for further consideration. 4 years of hard work has come up with the evidence I feel is compelling enough for King Charles review.
It is a story of courage and of gallantry and of the reverence in which Lance Sergeant Haane Manahi is held.
Ko kōpou Tony Davies ki te tūranga tike o Te Ope Kātua I nōhia e Kevin Short te rangatira o mua.
The Chief of Defence Force is empowered to run and command the Defence Force, and that's all 3 services and reserve forces. We also have civilians. So there's about 14,000 people which I run and organise, and obviously we have the different skills for the different services.
Ko te tōmina nui o ngā uri o ngā rukukapa, kia whakatūria he whare pupuri taonga, hei rau mahara ki o rātou pāpā.
The whare taonga, when you see the President already being made throughout the motu, it's only right that Company B has the same mana as everybody else. How the process will unfold is yet a story untold, but I'm sure that with fervent commitment and discipline to the kaupapa that it will happen.
I heard what they're talking about, and I completely understand. I heard loud and clear. As the new Chief of Defence Force, I mean, there are limitations on what I can do. My duties and responsibilities are to our current operations and the men and women of Te Ope Kātua o Aotearoa.
Kāriro mā ngā hoia o Te Ope Kātua, tēnei haka. Hei poroporo wā ki kia Short, hei whakamānawa I a Davies. Mokonuiarangi Rangitauira, mā Aukaha.